Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trading Chart Patterns. As we have discussed about this stock SBI and that this level 373 will act as a crucial support for this stock. Okay, the stock went below this level 373, but I was not so sure to short this stock. But the time it reversed from 373 rupees, I went on to buy this stock, and as soon as this stock broke this red line resistance, okay, the stock went up till 385 rupees. Okay, what can happen tomorrow if the stock takes resistance around this region, okay, around this region, okay, and starts to go below say 387 पे resistance लेके if it starts to go around 378, then we will short this stock. But if the stock gives a breakout above 387, then we will buy this stock for the target of this trend line, okay, 393, or you can say 392 rupees. Okay, thank you for watching.